Because all you gotta do is trip and
sit in the water. Just sit in the water. Oh. Hold. Can I drive it out to the water?
you're gonna do it together still.
I'm gonna drive it out.
Okay, just a little throttle. Okay, you're gonna run it like that.
Or close.
No, not now. We'll close the door. Nope. This isn't turning like a car. It takes a lot more turning radius. There you go. We'll go out here a little bit. Okay, you do the throttle, but don't pull it any further than that. Okay. There you go. Bring it back here, and then we'll run out there and we'll do full throttle. Okay, slow to the apple, just figure out when we're coming into shore, okay?
Fine.
Okay, ready? Let it rip. Pull it. All the way back. Full throttle. Full throttle. Okay, now look up.
Okay, now full throttle.
Full throttle. Full throttle. And look at what I say, look up.
Okay, I will full throttle.
Full throttle. Okay, stop. Bounce. Oh, I think we gotta move the batteries further forward. Yeah, we're gonna move the batteries further forward. Okay.
Go in there.
Throw it in there.
And now I can do it.
Yep.
I found out.
Yep. I'm still gonna help. Come back out. Look. No, they don't like reverse.
Why do they don't like
Boats don't like reverse.
Why do boats don't like reverse?
No. They got water inside of them. And try roll. You can run it by yourself if you don't go. Hang on. Okay. You can pull the trigger just a little bit. Pull a little bit more. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna help. I'm gonna step in and help you. Figure 8. A little faster. Okay, a little bit. Nah.
Dad, I want to get in the car and I'm starving.
Back, full tilt. There you go. Wow. Remember when you're... You the photographer now? Good job, bud.
Man, are you proud of you, buddy?
Now, can you me do it?
Yep, let's stand over here.
Dad, I got some good photos.
Did you? It seemed like it. Oh, yeah. I'm just wants to get a couple pictures.
I want to make it fall way down.
Okay, you can. Slowly turn like this, and then get ready, go. Up.
How about can I take one?
Okay. You're just hungry, huh?
I really want some
Oh, yeah. Really want some what?
goldfish.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah.
So if we had goldfish right now? Look at how cool that thing was, bud. What do you think?
That thing's awesome.
Yeah, did you have fun driving it? MJ? Did you have fun driving it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. You help me take the top off? Come help me take the top off. Yep, you gotta pull the pin. Oh, there we go. There we go. I'll help you. Ready? Okay. Now slide it back. Oh, no, we just gotta slide this back. Here we go. Oh, we gotta lift that up first. Here you go. There you go. Now we can't touch anything in there. It's gonna be super hot.
Oh.
Yeah.
Can I put that real quick?
Ah, not that.
Why?
Hang on. Oh, it's actually not that bad. So you can just touch it just for a second. Okay. So it's not too bad in there, huh?
Okay.
Is that awesome? You're learning how to take pictures today. You're learning how to drive a boat today.
And I'll try to
Okay.
Okay. Push down on that. Hold it up. Steady. Push.
I don't see anything.
You're not seeing it?
No, the big one there.
Oh. Okay, now it's ready. Okay, I think you got him.
Yeah.
I got it.
Just like your dad.
Did you learn how to take pictures today?
We'll see.
Yeah. You learn how to drive a boat today?
Oh, the fountain's going up over here.
Oh yeah. Next time we'll be able to circle that one.
Oh, we aren't coming back here, are we?
Yeah, maybe.
This isn't very good.
We need to get some more batteries, bud. What do you think?
Good picture taking. I'm proud of you.
And just don't drop the remote.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. There's a nice shape. Nice shape.
What are the gooses doing? Oh, walk over here, bud. And watch out for the goose poop. Don't step right in the goose poop.
Why?
Well, you coming? What do you got there?
The stand and
And the remote?
yeah, and
And what?
Does the choo-choo train come around from there?
It does.
There could be a choo-choo train here.
When the park's open, yeah.
Oh.
Someday.
Someday we can come here.
Someday. As soon as the virus is gone.
What about this is not going to be here?
It'll be here. Well, it should be.
What's that smell?
Water. Goose poop.
Dad, do some goose come over here?
Oh, I'm sure they do. Gooses go everywhere.
Everywhere?
Everywhere.
Look at that!
What's that? Oh, sprinklers, huh? Baseball field?